Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Anon token. Now the Anon token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. This is a Binance Smart Chain token, BEP20 token. Now don't get confused because recently there was a token, a BRC20 token with the ticker symbol Anon. I did a video on. This one is not that token. Like I said, this one's on the Binance Smart Chain, not a BRC20 token. The BRC20 token has been listed on central exchanges. That token is already well on its way, and this one is still in pre-sale. And we're going to go over the information on this Anon token and how you can get involved with the pre-sale if you like in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. We are the Anon token. We are a legion, it says here. Their official webpage is anontoken.org. It says, discover the next big opportunity. Our initial coin offering is live. The Anon token ecosystem where opportunities are limitless. Our pre-sale is live now, so seize your exclusive participation. Immerse yourself in a diverse ecosystem. It says total funds raised in BNB right now is 138.21 BNB, which is worth, it says, looks like $49,629.68. And they're in stage 2 right now of their pre-sale. And in stage 2 so far, they've raised, looks like $11,643, which is 32.42 BNB. They have a countdown on their page. There's a little bit over 3 days left as of recording this video. They're going to go through 5 stages of the pre-sale. So basically, you know, the earlier you get involved in the pre-sale, the cheaper the token price is going to be. It slowly goes up in increments in every, the price goes up in increments in every stage of the pre-sale. They have a full white paper on their webpage. You can check it out, anonymous-2.getbook.io. And they also have a audit, a full audit here by Contract Wolf. So right on the page, I mean, it's real easy. It says buy now. You just click on that. It shows you the amount that you pay in BNB and the amount of tokens that you will receive for that price. So you click on buy now. What pops up is you could click on all wallets to find like a MetaMask wallet, or they have Wallet Connect, Coinbase wallet. You could use all different types of decentralized wallets. You would fund your wallet with BNB, click on the buy now, and then you could transfer or trade your BNB for the token. It says stage 2 is selling fast. Get in before the next price increases. They have lots of partners on here. Looks like there's some central exchange listings too. Asbit, Bitmart, it says on here. Binance Smart Chain, CoinScope. They have CoinSniper.net, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Binance Smart Chain, Pancakeswap. Coinsbit is another central exchange. So they probably have some central exchange listings planned for in the future. They have some news article places on here as well. You can check all that out. It says revolutionary ecosystem with exclusive rewards program. So they have the Anon games where you could play, connect, thrive, and earn. Embark on interactive fun with Anon games. Experience thrilling competitions, cooperative challenges, and unlock numerous rewards. Welcome to the Anon Games platform, your destination for excitement in our token ecosystem. Join us now. They also have the Anon browser. The Anon browser is a private surfing with rewarding experiences, a new level of online privacy with the Anon browser. Our secure web browser not only allows anonymous surfing, but also gives you rewards for browsing. They have the Open Anon NFT Marketplace for unique digital collectibles. Our NFT Marketplace allows users to buy and sell unique digital collectibles. Through this integration, we introduce a creative and artistic dimension of our community, enabling the trade of unique NFTs created on the platform. Also, the Anontoken decentralized exchange platform. Explore the Anontoken, the decentralized platform for securely trading tokens. Utilize the innovative swap to earn feature for rewards and bonuses. Boost the liquidity of our tokens and seamlessly interact with the broader crypto community. Revolutionize your trading with Anontoken. Now, they have the tokenomics on here, BEP20 token. It does have taxes, so later on, if this token gets listed on Pancakeswap, you're going to have to set your slippage around 4% for buys and sells because there is a 4% tax. Now, how the token is distributed here, first of all, funding allocation, 20% goes to liquidity, 20% central exchanges, 10% marketing, 20% rewards, 20% staking, 10% development. And then we got token distribution, 5% marketing, 10% central exchanges, 10% liquidity, 5% development, 10% staking, 10% rewards, 50% goes to presale. So you will be able to stake these tokens to receive rewards. So their roadmap here, creation of the concept, create the white paper, create the Anon token, website creation. Then phase 2, presale starts, initiate marketing push. Contract audit and KYC. Then after the presale is done, the token will be listed on Pancakeswap. There will be staking feature, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, big marketing and partnerships, launch of the Anon swap, creation of NFTs, launch Open Anon, Tier 1, Tier 2 central exchange listings, 10,000 holders. And then last phase, phase 4, central exchange listings, Anon browser, Anon games, expand the marketing, bigger market cap, more holders. At the bottom of their webpage, they have frequently asked questions. They give you a little bit of help how to buy in case you get stuck. You can also check out their full white paper. They have 2 different telegrams and a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. It says 4NON token. So it's like an A, but the A is a 4. And then they have a contact email. All that's at the bottom of their webpage. Anontoken.org. Go check it out. Presale stage 2 only. Giving you these brand new tokens. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to learn about these new tokens. And hit that notification bell so you get notified when they first drop, when I first upload a video. And like this video. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.